Mama wakwaba wofre me adwoa searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel. Mia notification bell no so for more news.
Square pegs in round holes and it's not fitting. And you intentionally block it and say, oh, name is Jimino, Jimino. That is John Dramani Mahama. Or can't quasi asem. John Mahama can yansa, sabe cafe yansa, enim, not doing yeduma. Appetition, one no moon's appetition, no do baby, say what that is what is happening to John Mahama. Or Bodamba. John Mahama no or Bodamba and Kakra, I want to hear one do about run who in a stage no run or Bodamba. His brain is not working. Listen, that Apomudin, me. Like I said, I was trying to prepare myself, but I can't. Yeah? Healthcare, Apomudin, is the most important thing to any country, unless you belong to NDC. And a healthcare in the papa. But look at the thing John Mahama fights against. He was in parliament when NDC MPs walked out of national health insurance. Not of the parliament. Parliamentarians not come home. Utie, mechremo. Free maternal care. Yedija woman wo gu no cause on tisania manase enye no in the forte. Very stupid man is he. Ono unfair be ma. That will be the bar or best say no. That is stupid man. Onye nyame. Nyame kwesi apia we a penny na we mbu ho a don't expect me say mebu. Utie. We are penny now with the every chance be a ubenya be obanum apetesia betina social media betina radio so akan kwasia samwa ya beka tronsa wo kwasia Ghana for electricity uso wada ni odwanfunu ene abo odwanfunu pese obedi Ghana for so na Ghana for ni bi kura flag John Mahama will come again nyame ntia moka mo kwasia mpafo na mo pese Mahama aba back to power ni na nyankopon tuatua moka mako mo back of free education o mo faili o munya F o mo ko munya J flat. Especially NDC for no man, moon fairly free education, this cause mo flag bearer and not doing yajuma. Adia Buamun, one no see as a way here for a party. Who be silent to say, or the other man here for will be. Again, a competent man touts their achievements. They don't count uncompleted projects. Now, before I remember education, we so anything I'm a soldier because education, they will attack education and health. You are attacking me. Because the free education is benefiting me. So anybody that attacks it, I will attack you, including John Darega Kromfua Mahama, Airbus Embraer thief, criminal man. John Mahama, or no kwana person here do cocaine, your father be a president, Jimmy Ford, that's who he is. And anybody that support John Dramani Mahama is equally as foolish as his master. When you see free education and you tell me that is not a good thing, but we should rather share the money for people in houses, what Jimmy for? That is why somebody like Ebenezer Gomado, you see the name? Very foolish boy. Because Siampeni power, you're doing funu crashing Mahama name. Jimmy. Akwasi ampafo we na Mahama ka tro so muntutu o musini na ambro mbetu akono because Jimmy for Mahama apan so na bua bi sa no wontumi nko school nkwasiafo bi so sa no wo se ntwamoa wo ko voter regional wo mo sabe predia se bi no mfa nchame wo mo wo sa moa NDC fo no mu wo ko ba bi a NDC fo no wini na wo mo wo se ntwamoa wo mo wo sa moa wutie wo mo wo sa moa so ntumi nhwa wo mo mani ni na adane am Roberts. They don't research. You are a fool. And your John Dramani Mahama has shown the reason why he will never become president again in Ghana. John Mahama becoming president in Ghana is just as equal as saying that everybody in Ghana is a fool and they are no longer right-thinking people in Ghana no more. It doesn't make fucking sense. You might like him as a person. He might be a cute man. Maybe an hoya ofe. but we Jimmy. Mahama we Jimmy or Kasa on General because or can't quasi assembly we are and son was in American quasi assembly in Amake. Now Otimi can't quasi assembly because Aquasi and Pafua Cotriphobia and Pedumaya from Ghana for Nibi. Eh? So. Obi a went to me ama talk. Or no to me nya gods kwa kase eduane a yede ma yemma ono ne nkraman kura ni. Ne nkraman kura indi. But I have a good news for John Dramani Mahama. John Dramani Mahama was the president of Ghana in 2015. He promised them solid education in his manifesto. He promised them good quality education in his manifesto. Ended up not being able to even give the pupils and call primary GSS for you do my talk quiet the throw. And that man may we free when in anti job who say seven to one boy in two or two about the tia banya train about school. What do you get to ma? Mammy, I won't tongue sabe brodia will drum her. Now we'll call Ivory Coast on work of brodia, but no crown. I just wouldn't what they are France and to Nyanya Kala. And no to jump with before him. I will do. About short super for sabe mon fan chame. Enti no won tin se dogo bi no aba na wo te wo na wo bo mine krono. Mo mama ni na ho. Ya ma me no moy. Mo mama ni na ho. Mo mama ni na ho. This was the state of your children in 2015. Listen to him. Yanko.
Allow them to write the West African Senior School Certificate Examination.
344 out of 415 final year students owe fees to the tune of 130,000 cedis.
We have threatened the students. I, the headmaster, threatened them that if they...
This is a headmaster talking. Ghana former Amifui. Where your headmaster so no what threatening Kolani say, somewhere jam of school fees, I am among three exams. And someone you come from Mahama who na pro, it's mamu konuma reference to a real. It happened in Ghana. AC Ghana, at some way, AC Ghana, St. Thomas Aquinas, one more headmaster, the Gina way. And they have a some no. Ghana fled before, and then I'm bron some sign about Makuma Musano. Mo boy by well some more.